Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, do you want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow us on our Telegram channel. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, stay updated with us, and we'll be putting you guys with giving you guys one or two updates on our Telegram channel. Now, let's see what we will be expecting on gold. So, if you are to take a look at gold, let's start with this movement. The long-term forecast bias, that is on our daily time frame. You can see this movement started since the year 2022, September 2022. You can see from September 2022, we got to a year of 2023. Currently, we are at 2024. You can clearly see one movement is what gold has been giving us to the upside. Gold has literally been on a bullish move. I think this movement even way back, since 2020 whatsoever. So now, what has it done here? You can see that markets literally ranged within this level, right? We had a support and resistance level. Markets ranged. If you were following my channel consistently, I told you guys that market is going to break above this, that you should not sell. I mean, you can go ahead and confirm. I told you guys that a lot of you guys might be looking to sell around here, that you should not sell. That market is going to break above it, right? And this is exactly what market has done. Market has eventually did exactly what we predicted, which is to break above it. Now, with what market is doing right now, I'll be expecting to come back to a level of 2423 for now. Then later I'll give you guys an update on what we should be expecting else on gold. So with this gold, I'm still expecting a sell to a level of 2423, because if you have to go to this our daily time frame, you can see that this is our resistance level. Our resistance level is around a level of 2423. Since market has broken above it, we should expect market to give us a pullback to at least test it. Then once it tests it, then I'm going to give you guys an update on maybe we will break above it and continue the movement to the upside, or we are likely to see that drop. But for now, right now, we should be expecting a drop to a level of 2423 on gold. So stay updated, stay with us so you will get an update next, and follow our Telegram. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.